Hello friends, today is 18th Jan 8:30 a.m. and this is me after a long time I am making video. So first of all I want to show, so this was my prediction for July 2020 where I have said 5 tops and 7 bottoms or 7 tops and 5 bottoms. So hopefully everything is done. If you wish to check, do check. And only point pending was a new low which was not achieved in 2020. So let's see what happens in 2021. You can check this video under my videos tab, right? So this was posted on, if you check the date, this was posted in 2019 for 2020, right?
Yes, high and
In
almost equal
2019,
or
go check
50
this
to
video.
50 to 75.
Go check this video, verify it, and see how GAN works. So this is not for uh, people to monger that I can do it or I know the thing, but you can go for it and check that how GAN works and how I have tried to do something on path of GAN. So this is Nifty 2020 video posted on August 29, 2019. Go check how I have said roller coaster rides and how it has worked. Let's move back. So throughout the year I have posted another things analysis November. And what is my last video is 3 months back. I have shared the time grid for last 3 months.
See any
You can
specific thing
read,
happened or not.
right? We
Then on
can pick
610.
any date or see what's the relevance in it. So this was posted on October 5th, 2020. So let's verify for let me say 12th month, that is December, what has happened. So this is the chart and December. So I do have dates of 29/11, 21/11. This was a one gap. And let us check that is this date is covered. This one is 21/12, this fall, and this one is 18/12. So 18 and 21 shows us some kind of fall or some kind of top. Let's check in our date grid. So I do have 18/12. 19 was Sunday, so it was not a trading day. And again here is 21/12. So you can check its relevance. And this video was shared on October 5th. See here, this one is October 5th, 2020. At that time, before 3 months, I didn't know that something can happen on 19th, 18th, 19th, or 21. This is purely a GAN thing. I just want to convey that this works, but you need to work on it with full patience and full knowledge. Apply what you learn. So many people have asked me that what will happen next. Do post your prediction for 2021. So currently I am not posting it. I am posting few things on Twitter, few in cryptic manner. So you can check my updates on it on Twitter. Let me show you those updates. So 1 minute. Although my my followers are decreasing daily. So this was posted on 1st of Jan. What's the plan? Key Mercury 678 24 29. So currently we are running in this cycle. You can see 678 what has started and what happened. So this one is fifth, sixth, and seventh, right? Again, let's look back to my account. See, stock market or anything is multiple cycles. So I have posted the update also. Second day, right? This was the third day where Mercury went combust. Then on 8th, Saturn is combust. Just wait. So this is again on 13 Jan. This is Amavasya. So someone asked me that what does it mean, and I have posted a short example on it how this new moon and full moon concept works. Hopefully it worked also. If you check this one is 13th one and we made a top on it. Again I am repeating that some things are not taken that this has happened so market will fall or market will crash. There are n number of cycles working, so you have to decode which cycle is going on and then work on it. Then let's move back. Then on 16th Jupiter is combust and market is closed. This one is latest prediction, new tax regime. Although people will say yes, there is always a new tax regime or there are changes in tax. But this time we will see something new in tax. This is my prediction. And the previous prediction was made that Biden will win. You can check in my this one Twitter account. Many people who are in group are also know that boldly said same thing. So this is what it is. Rest you can ask questions as I am not getting time. So this is what going on. I can share what should be done this year. Can you can share your suggestions. Um, I would request you to share my channel with your friends and subscribe if possible. As there's nothing interesting on my channel. What I am trying to do is to show that GAN works, and you can check the facts. Everything is posted before market, even before few months back. Yes, there may be some lags, although I cannot post everything on this, and you can find that even if I am 50% right, then this will definitely can change your destiny. Anyways, thank you guys. You can contact me here on Twitter account if you want to, and let's see what happens. So thanks for watching. This is, I think I am making video after 6-7 months. We'll try to do more. Rest, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.